In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a text box from a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're preparing documents for work or simply tidying up a form at home, knowing how to manage text boxes within PDFs can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure it's simple and easy to understand. First things first, you'll need to have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC open on your computer. Once you have the program open, go ahead and locate the PDF file you wish to edit. You can do this by navigating to the File menu or simply dragging and dropping the file into Adobe Acrobat. Once your PDF document is open, you're ready to proceed with the next steps. Now take a look at the top of your screen and you'll see a tab named All Tools. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will appear displaying a variety of tools that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers. From this menu, find and select the option labeled Prepare a Form. This is the feature that allows you to make changes to any fillable sections of your PDF document, including text boxes. With the form preparation tool activated, you'll see that your PDF is now in a mode that allows for editing various fields. Next, navigate to the text box you wish to delete. Here's a little tip. If you find it challenging to spot the text box amid a heavily filled document, try hovering over sections of the PDF, and Adobe will usually outline fillable fields to help you identify them more easily. Once you've found the text box, you'll need to highlight it. Simply click on the text box and it should become selected. Now hover over the highlighted text box and right click on your mouse. Doing so will bring up a small context menu. Now just look through the options on that menu until you see the option to delete. Go ahead and select it. By executing this step, you've successfully removed the unwanted text box from your form. Congratulations, you've done it. Before you wrap up, it's always a good practice to review the document for any further adjustments you might need to make. Once satisfied, remember to save your changes by selecting Save from the File menu or clicking the Save icon. And that's it, you now know how to delete a text box from a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With this newfound skill, organizing your PDF documents should be a breeze. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and happy editing.